Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best pre-taped masking film on the market, the Tangibay pre-taped masking film. Whether you're a professional painter, an automotive refinisher, or a DIY enthusiast, this product is designed to make your painting projects faster, cleaner, and more efficient. The Tangibay pre-taped masking film combines two essential tools into one: a 3/4 inch wide painter's tape and a plastic sheeting film. This two-in-one design means you no longer have to juggle separate rolls of tape and plastic, saving you valuable time and effort. Measuring 22 inches by 66 feet per roll, and available in multiple pack sizes, it's a versatile option for both small and large projects. One of the standout features of this masking film is its high temperature resistance. Thanks to its natural rubber-based automotive masking tape and tear-resistant high-density polyethylene (HDPE) film, it can withstand temperatures up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. This makes it especially ideal for automotive refinishing projects, where heat is often involved during baking or curing processes. This masking film also boasts impressive durability and flexibility. The HDPE film is tear-resistant and clings to surfaces thanks to a special corona treatment that enhances static cling. This allows the plastic sheeting to stick securely to smooth surfaces such as walls, counters, cabinets, glass, and car surfaces without lifting or tearing. Unlike traditional masking paper, this film prevents paint bleed-through, ensuring your paint job has sharp, clean lines every time. When it comes to removal, the master-level adhesive on the tape is designed to peel away cleanly after up to 30 days of use, both indoors and outdoors. This means you won't be left with sticky residue, ghost marks, or paint bleeding, all of which can be frustrating and time-consuming to clean up. The Tangibay pre-taped masking film is truly multi-purpose. It's perfect for protecting vehicles during paint jobs, covering furniture during home renovations, and shielding windows, doors, baseboards, and trim. Whether you're working on automotive projects, remodeling your home, or just doing some touch-up painting, this product offers reliable protection against paint overspray, dust, and debris. In terms of application, the pre-taped edge allows for quick and precise placement. Simply pull the film out, press down the tape, and drape the plastic over the surface you want to protect. Its flexible nature conforms well to corners and curved surfaces, which can be a challenge with other masking materials. Packaging is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. Each roll weighs just over 10 ounces and is neatly rolled to avoid tangles or wrinkles, so you can get to work right away without any hassle. To sum it up, the Tangibay pre-taped masking film combines efficiency, durability, and versatility in one easy-to-use product. It simplifies the masking process, offers excellent protection against paint and overspray, and removes cleanly without damaging surfaces. If you want to save time and ensure professional quality results on your next painting or refinishing project, this product is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and in-depth product breakdowns. See you next time.